Video explanation of how you're going to use the Tonara app. Now, let's say you've installed it from the Apple App Store or from Google Play Store. You go to Tonara, you can launch it wherever you have it. And then some of you have been sent your username and password. So in this case, you just go with your username. Okay, and then your password, and then you log in. So you are in. Now, how do you use it? So now you just you can save it and you can accept the terms and conditions, or you read it. Now it comes up with the default. So now if you want to be able, you'll be able to see your weekly practice chart. As you can see, she has 0 practice time, but there's a message from Bo Lake Music. Hello, Bo Lake Music. It is nice connecting. Okay, you send the message to the studio, and then we come here. You see your practice, so you can end points by this is bonus practice. This is not this is bonus practice. So you click on this. So you see this chart. This is going to be calculating how many minutes, how many hours how many minutes you have practiced. But if you want to record what you have practiced, you just click on this record. And then now you can record pa 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 pa. For example, so you can say stop. You stop it, the record is there. It's already recorded, added to my tab, my media. So once you have practiced for some time, you can pause. And then if you want to go back again, you can continue and practice. And if you like, you can record again. Then you record as you are playing from your keyboard, and then you're recording, and everything comes in here. So you have 2 recordings. Okay, you see, number 2. And then you can pause, or you say you finish, and then it awards you a point. So you have 65 points now. Now, if you like, you can view the leaderboard. Leaderboard, you see the studio, you see the students that are on top in the studio. You see all of them. So you see that they are practicing. All right. So you see what they have been doing and the number of minutes they have practiced, and you can see yourself there. So maybe if you are not in the first 8, okay, and then you can see the global one. You see people getting 216,000. They've been practicing very long time. For the studio, see somebody is in 1,000. So we're just starting. Now, I will show you some more features of your mobile app. You can edit your profile here. You had a profile photo using the camera or the phone gallery. Okay? Or you can update changes. You can change your password if you feel like your password has been compromised. And then you see the notification here, 3 messages, 2 messages from the notification center, and 1 message here. And of course, there are custom practice that you can do. So you can practice anything. You can say practice a piece, and then that is that one. Also, you can also practice other stuff. So if we give you, and there's also Tonara challenge, so you'll be able to see the challenge of Tonara. Today is to practice Ode to Joy. It's from Tonara. You click on it, and then you can practice it. And then, or you can play. This is supposed to be for 2 minutes. You can practice it, and you pause or you finish. It gives you, awards you a point for practicing that. So many options that you have. You have the Tonara challenge on top. you have, if we give you a child, if we give you something here, let me see whether we can give an assignment. So if we give you an assignment in Tonara, you'll be able to see the assignment in here. So when we give the assignment to you, we create an assignment and just say testing is a piece that you practice in the book, page 12, book 1. I'm just giving it as an example. I say you practice for 7 days, and then you practice for 5 minutes per time, and then you earn 100 points. So if you go here now, you're going to see you've been awarded this. So if you go back here, you can see your practice. So you can see the practice. You see the recordings that you have made. You can see them here. You can see if you go to your media, you can play the recordings. And then now you can record pa 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 pa. So you see that, and that's how to do it. So you see your weekly challenge, and so if we give you any challenge, it's going to come over here, and you will see your practice. So this is very good for practicing, as also for getting to compete with others. So I'll be stopping the video here. Please try to sign it today.